Hi, babies. Guess what we're doing today? You know, we already made our box oven over here. We did it the other day. We're going to actually cook in it. What can you cook in it? You can cook anything you cook in your regular oven. Remember our little twisty up kisses? We're going to put those in here. We've loaded the bottom of the charcoal chimney with paper and cardboard. And we're going to turn it over like this. We put our kisses in there. And then we're going to put some charcoal in here. And how many charcoals do you need? How do you regulate the temperature? You don't need a whole lot. So, to cook in the box oven, every 50 degrees is one charcoal. And once you get all your charcoals in there, then you add one extra one. So if it was 100 degrees, you would need 2 charcoal plus 1. So we're going to go ahead and get this started. I'm lighting my kisses. See my kisses right here? And once our charcoal gets good and ready, I will come back to you and we'll make some brownies. Okay, so we got the charcoals cooking. We're waiting for them to heat up and be really nice and hot because you need that for your box oven. What are we making? We're making brownies. My fave. You could cook a cake. You could cook a chicken. You could cook anything you can cook in an oven. You can cook in that box. It's a cardboard box. I know, right? So we're going to go ahead and make up the brownie mix. And follow the directions as to what it says. Okay, my direction says grease your bottom of your pan. So we're just going to use a little spray and spray it out. Okay. Then it says to add, for fudgy brownies, you add 2 eggs, and for cake-like brownies, 3. So we're going to go for the fudgy. We're just going to do 2 eggs. And it says a 1/4 cup of water. And there's my 1/4 cup of water. And a 1/2 cup of oil. Now your directions may be different, so read your directions so you'll know how much you need to add. And there's a 1/2 cup of oil. And then we're going to mix that all up. And that yumminess. And after it's done, it'll go in my tummy. Yay, me. Then I'm going to put them in my pan. And there's my brownies in my pan. Let me check my charcoals. Okay, our charcoals are ready. And I'm looking at the directions and it says 350. So, here's your math for today. How many does that equal? 350. Well, there's 2 charcoal for every 100. So that would be 6. And then the extra 50 would be 7. And then we're going to put an extra one in there. That's how we do it. Now, in the wintertime, if you're cooking with a box oven, you may need to add an extra couple more charcoals because it is going to be cold and it is going to fight all that temperatures and stuff. So 4, 5, 6. I'm going to get my glove. 6. 7. So that's our 7 for the 350. So we want to add just one more charcoal to the mix. So then we're going to go over to our box oven that's all set up and ready to go. See it? You're going to take your charcoal and put it right here in the center on the bottom of the cardboard box. And now we're going to put these wonderful brownies in here. I'm going to sit that on top of the grate. Ooh, I can already feel the heat. And I'm going to close the box up, and that's the trick. You got to leave the box closed. We can put something in front of it. Put this in front of it right now, but if you're at camp, you can put a rock in front of it to keep it closed and no peeking. And it says it needs to cook for 31 minutes. So we are going to make it for 30 minutes, and we will come back to you in 30 minutes. So it's time to check the brownies. Oh, they smell wonderful. Wonderful. And look what I have. A pan of brownies. They look good enough to eat, don't they? I wish we had smell-o-vision because they smell heavenly.